Hello, good day everyone, and welcome to my channel. It's been a while, we're back. So we are going to be treating something very important today. Many people have always asked me, many of my viewers, how do you write vertically, because all they always know is writing horizontally. So that's what we're going to be treating out today. Please, if you've not watched our other videos, try and watch them. Please like, comment and subscribe. You can even share to your friends. Thank you very much. So now you can see that most right up here are written horizontally, because that's the normal way of writing, but it's rare to see a right up that is written vertically in Excel. But as you can see up here, we have that these dates are written vertically, and it has been an issue for most people. So how to write vertically, we're going to be treating that. So from here, alright, please stay with me. So I've tried to return it back horizontally, so you can now see that these are the same like other ones, apart from this date and day that is written here. So let's just allow that one to be. So we are going to learn how to change this to a vertical right up. So let's start from this. So we go to the cell we want to change to vertical. We move to this layer, the alignment. So we go here. You can see the orientation. The orientation is horizontal. We're going to change the orientation to vertical. When we say vertical, you can see the text that's written there. You can see this text, the way it's written, that means that is how it will appear. We have different degrees. If it's here is 45 degrees, that means the right up will be 45 degrees. You can see that it's 45 degrees. Or if you want it to be like this is minus 46 degrees. That's how the right up will be. So we want it to be 90 degrees. To written 90 degrees, so we take it up 90 degrees. 90 degrees is vertical. So we can see that we can make it vertical, or we can still do it vertical from the down part. You can see the text that is written on it. That means started from, that means minus 90 degrees. So you see that the date started from the up to down. Or I don't prefer it like this. I write my date like this. So look at the right up like this, like this. So we have seen that this is now written vertically. So we now use our auto fill to adjust and make every other cell here to be horizontal, to be vertical, sorry. So if you don't know how we use auto fill, you have to watch our other videos. So we also have our Saturdays. We want to also make them vertical. We also go to this alignment and change the alignment to 90 degrees. Yes. Then we use our auto fill. So we can now see that they are all written vertically. So it being vertical, we can see that we have more space or more spaces in the cells. So we can actually reduce the size of the cell to this. So you see, it makes it smaller, simplified, and good enough for us to use. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, please drop a comment in the comment section. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if you've not subscribed. I will be very happy if you can also share the video. Thank you, and watch our next video too. We have something very exciting.